Check for safety. Ask the patient if they are choking. Victim verbalize yes, encourage the victim to catch. 5. Back slap between the shoulder blades with the heel of the other hand. Check if the foreign body after each slap obstruct has been received. Unsuccessful, do the abdominal thrust. Stand behind the victim. Continue abdominal thrust. Check for expelled every 5 abdominal thrusts. The victim become unconscious. Carefully lay down the victim on the floor. Call for help. Start 30 compressions. After 30 compression, check oral activity for presence of foreign body. Continue 30 chest compression until foreign body is visible or expelled. If visible, do the finger sweep. Check patency of airway by giving 2 rescue breaths. Check pulse and breathing simultaneous. If with pulse and breathing, place the victim in recovery position.